Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. Alright, in this question, we are to calculate the perimeter of a quarter circle. In the playlist, we have examples on semicircle. Then we have one of our students asking, what about a quarter circle? Alright, it's very simple. This is a quarter of a circle. You have something like this, okay? And this will be a radius and this another radius. So this is a quarter of a circle, just a sketch of it. All right. So if you are like we did in semicircle, a semicircle is half of a circle. So to find the circumference, the perimeter of a semicircle, we'll find half of the circumference. Since it's a semicircle is half of a circle, we'll find half of the circumference, and that gives us the length of the arc. All right, then plus the diameter, which is the straight line boundary of the semicircle. All right, in this case is also the same procedure we're going to apply. A quarter circle is a quarter of a circle, so this arc is a quarter of the circumference, a quarter of the circumference. So if we are looking at circumference as 2 pi r, so a quarter of it. Okay, then for us to find the distance around it, the arc plus this radius plus this other radius, and that's 2 times the radius plus a quarter of the circumference. So the perimeter of a quarter circle will be a quarter of the circumference. So if we want to write this 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2. So we have 1 over 2 pi r, or you can just 1 over 2 pi r plus 2 radian. Okay, this plus this, then plus a quarter of the circumference, which is 1 over 4 of 2 pi r, and that gives us half of pi r. Okay, and so for a quarter circle, you have half of pi r plus 2r to calculate the distance around it. So let's apply this in this question. The radius is 14 centimeters and pi is given as 22 over 7. So this is 1 over 2. Let's put this in bracket. 1 over 2 times pi, 22 over 7, times radius, which is 14. Let's put that as a fraction too. And then plus 2 times the radius. The radius is 14 centimeters. All right, so we can simplify here by dividing the ones with common factors. So we know 2 can go in 22, so 2 here is 1, 2 in 22 is 11, 7 can go in 14, so 7 and 7 is 1, and 7 in 14 is 2. So look at it downstairs, we've reduced everything to 1, and upstairs we have 1 times 11 times 2, and that will give us 22. All right, then here we have 2 times 14. 2 times 14 is 28, all in centimeters. So 22 plus 28 will give us 50, all right, in centimeters. So the circumference, or the perimeter of this quarter circle with radius 14 centimeters is 50 centimeters. All right, you can apply this also to 3/4 of a circle. Let's say you have a shape like this. This is a sketch of 3/4 of a circle. Say this is the center of the circle. All right, so since it's 3/4, that will be 3/4 of the circumference to find this arc, then plus the 2 radii. Okay, and as simple as that. Thank you. Do well to practice, and if you have any question, feel free to send it in the comments. Thank you. Bye.